Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ivo, and today we will be completely disassembling a set of S13 powerful mirrors. So stay tuned and let's do it. Also, before the end of the video, I will show you how to test your new mirrors. If you just got it and you just wanna test it, and you don't have the wiring done already in your car, and you just want to test your mirrors to see if they work, if everything works, if the powerful mirror function works, and the mirror adjustments. I will show you where to plug in your positive and ground wires so you can test each function of your new mirrors. Looking at this, I can see we have a cover here. I'm gonna pop this out. Try the flathead screwdriver for this. Okay, it pops out. You can see there's two Phillips head screws in here and another one in here. So I'm gonna remove them now. So I can see these two screws hold this base in here to the mirror. You can see there's another screw in here, so I'm gonna undo this. See if I can remove this. Okay, I'm gonna try. Yeah. You can see there's a plug in here. So I believe if you press this, you can press this side in here and then pull it out. That's it, it's out. You can see here that the actual mirror, it's just a press fit in here. I'll show you. See, just a press fit, as you can see in here and in there. I think on the four corners in here and in here. So even with this in place, you can gently pry open. I'm gonna try to do that. That's it. Now, obviously, you can still do this when this part is still attached to the rest of the housing. Yeah, but that's how you remove the mirror if you need to replace it or something like that. The reason why I'm doing this is because these mirrors are from, obviously, 180XX. That's a right-hand drive car. My car is left-hand drive, so what I'm gonna do in the end, probably not in this video, but in another occasion, I will replace all of the inside of this mirror, of this housing. Everything that is inside, I will move it into my left hand drive mirrors. My car is a left hand drive. It doesn't have the powerful function. The mirrors in my car are electric, but you can only control the position of the mirror. I don't have the powerful function. So I'm gonna replace everything that is inside this casing into the mirrors I have in my car, so I can get the powerful function on my car. But I wanted to disassemble this completely so I can give it a quick good clean and lubricate everything, so hopefully this will last another 30 years. Oh, let me just show you. If you're gonna convert your car to these powerful mirrors, you're gonna need this switch. Obviously, if your car doesn't have the powerful function, you will be missing these two buttons in your car. This is what opens and closes the mirrors, and this obviously is what adjusts the position of the mirror on the left side and right hand side. So you're gonna need one of those. Let's carry on with the disassembly. So I can see we have holding this side of the housing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and looks like 6 screws. And I guess hopefully if we undo all this, we can separate the two halves. That's what I'm gonna do now. I remove all the 6 screws from here, but it doesn't seem he wants to come out. Looks like there's something still attached in here. So I'm gonna try to go on this side and start removing any screws we have in here, so I can take these apart take the two halves apart. You can always glue back this. You can glue this back in the end. So now, what can we see? I can see another three screws in here. One is in here, another one in here, and I will leave another one in here. There might be another one in here too. Okay, let's try to remove this. Looks like it's a bit rusty. This one in here, but I will try to remove it. And just notice there's another one here. As you can see, there's another one. Let's take it off. Give you enough space. Okay, and now we can split this in two. Here's the motor that folds the mirror. This is now being held in place by this one, and all I can see is this one here. So I'm gonna try to remove them so I can take this apart. Okay, and now this half is off. Right there. This is your motor assembly. Well, the last thing I need to remove is this one in here, but it is very rusty. This will be a challenge to remove, but I'm gonna try because this is all I need to remove, and then we can take everything apart. And for example, if you want, you can paint these, and these separately, so you don't end up with, you know, white spots like this. That can possibly, you can possibly see this depending on what position the mirror is. It doesn't look very nice. So I'm gonna try to remove this one and I'll be right back. It wasn't coming off. I ended up having to cut like an opening on the screw so I could use the flathead screwdriver. It was really rusted, but as you can see, it was very rusted. I had to cut a slit in the middle and then use the flathead screwdriver, take it off. But that's fine because I have another set of mirrors, so I'm gonna have spare screws and everything. If you need to remove this from here, all you have to do is dip in the cables from this connector, and then you just slide the connections out of there, and that's it. So in order for you to dip in the cables of the connector, you're gonna need, you know, you're gonna need some tools like this. This is all here on the side. Open it up. Just to come like that. Like that. Yeah. As you can see. Now, stick this in here and pull it back like that. In the end, when you need to put this back, just stick it in there in the right position. Make sure this rubber grommet is going in the right position. Because this will seal the connection from any water that might want to go in there, and then you just fold this back in and that's it. Right, I'm gonna keep removing the other ones. Once your connector is off, you can now just slide this out of here like that, and that's it. Now everything is apart. Now I'm gonna show you how to test your mirrors. So let's imagine you just bought a set of powerful mirrors for your S13, and you want to test them. You want to check if they are working properly, but you don't have the right connection. But you don't have you don't have your installation. The harness in your car is not. You haven't made any kind of. They are not installed or anything. You just want to test them to see if they work. So I'm going to show you how to test each function of your mirrors. So if you just grab a spare battery and a couple of electrical cables. You can use the battery in your car if you don't have a spare battery. If you plug in the negative to the pink wire and the positive to the orange, so negative pink, positive orange, your mirrors will unfold, they will open. If you invert the polarity, if you give negative to the orange wire and positive to the pink, they will fold, they will close. So next, if you connect the negative to your purple wire and the positive to the yellow one, it will adjust the mirror to the left. If you invert the polarity, if you give negative to the yellow one and positive to the purple, the mirror will adjust to the right. Now, next one, if you plug in ground, the negative, to your purple wire and the positive to your blue wire, the mirror will adjust. It will adjust up. It will go up like this. If you once again invert the polarity and you give ground, negative to the blue wire and positive to the purple, the mirror will adjust down. So this is how all the functions work in a car. And if you want to test your mirror, obviously once you get the conversion done and everything is plugged in, obviously it will be controlled by your switch. Everything will be controlled by this in your car. And this is the back of the switch, if you wonder. And that's it for this one, guys. I'm gonna clean all these parts on both mirrors. I'm gonna do the same process and get everything clean. And on another video, I will show you me just moving all of these parts into the mirrors I have in my car to convert them to powerful mirrors. I will show you how to proceed to the wiring installation in your car, and but that will be on another video. So leave a like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't lose more content in the future. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.